Hello everyone, this is Bilal, and in this video I am going to tell you how I will make a bot in Octoparse that can scrap email and phone numbers from any website you really want. This is very useful, so I will just now go to my Chrome browser here. If I open this now, for example, I'm opening up this file. So if I click on this contact us page, you can see this email address. So we really need this, but we can't do this one by one because it will take us a long time. So this automation web scraping tool is very easy to use. Now I'll just show you step by step how you can achieve that. In this Excel file, I have made a few URLs. You can see a few example URLs. You can put as many as you want. So I will just show you. If I copy that, go to Octopath, click on new and click on custom task. Once that's done, I will just click here and paste these URLs. You can see it will put the URLs as a list. So if I click on save, it will open that up. Okay, so you can see it's opening that up. Now you can see if I simply change this bot name to email and phone bot. Okay, you can name it as as what you want. Okay, so in this loop URLs tab, if I click on manual input, click on here, you can like import it from a file, from task or batch generate as well. So you can like enter no more than 10,000 URLs at a time. So this is a limit in Octopath, by the way. So the next step, what you want to do is put custom XPaths. Now, what is XPath? I won't go into a more detail, but XPaths are basically a tag in a website that you can like pinpoint this by making custom XPaths. So I write this custom XPath that will help you get email, phone, and like click button. So first, I will just copy this email XPath, and don't worry, I will just put these XPaths in the description below, so you can copy that from the YouTube video. Okay. So if I open this Octopath, I will click on this little add step plus button. Once that done, I will just click on extract data. Okay, I'll click that, and then I will go to options and click on wait before action. I will go and increase the time to 2 seconds. Click on apply, or rather 1 second also fine. So I will just click on 1 second and click on save. After that's done, what I will do is click on this add custom field, click on this page level data, and then click on this page URL. What this will do is basically you can differentiate, okay, this is the URL. Okay, once that's done, I will other than that, I will click on add custom task, go to page level data, and then uh, sorry, I will just go and click on capture data on the page. Once that's done, you can see XPath is not saved. Now this is where we will paste in the XPath. Now here I have pasted the XPath, and I will just click on email and click on confirm. Okay, once that's done, you can't see anything. Okay, just I will just show you why. Now I'll go to the Word file again and copy the phone number XPath, and I will just go and click on add custom field, capture data on the page, click on that, and then I'll just click on and paste this URL XPath. So I'll just write phone and number, and then I'll just click on confirm. Once that's out of the way, what I will then do is click this click button and click on plus, and then click on this click button. It will make this click button for us. So why is that important? Because we want to click on contact us page, because most of the sites don't have the email address or phone number on their home page. So I will go to the Word document and copy the full export from here till here. Okay, copy that, go to my Octopath account, click on this matching XPath. Below that, I will paste in the XPath, click on apply, and click on save. Now what you will see is a magic. If you click on loop URLs, and if I click on click item, you will see it will go automatically to that contact us page where we really want the bot to go. After that, we click on this extract data button, right click on it, and then copy it. Once that's done, I will just click on loop URL and paste it here, and now it will show here because this we want. So the bot goes to the contact us page, we can actually click another extract data, so it can like work a new extract data to get the email address and phone number. I hope you are understanding that. Now if I just click on run and wait and click on standard mode, now you will see the bot will start running and scrap the email and phone number for us. So that is really easy. So I'll just maximize that and fast forward this a little bit so you can see. And once that's done, I will then go ahead and click on confirm because I want to export it as an Excel sheet, and click on save and open the file. Now you can see, if I expand that, you can see we are getting the email address from the website, we are getting the phone numbers. So this is very powerful, you guys can use. And if you want custom workflows like that in Octopath, you can contact me on my email given below in the description, so I can make these custom bots